So this session is all about introduction to Python, and the book I am following will be posted in the group folder. And for today I'm planning to cover all the way up to functions. So we will start talking about tuples list dictionaries in a separate session. So this would be the class is all about. And let's just dig in. So yeah, like I said, everything will be shared over the OneDrive common folder, and if you have any blockers for this session, please post it on the group so I can look into it and respond when I see it. You can learn Python by yourself, but I will just cover the things that I found interesting and which needs attention. It's not like we all have seen programming before, so I will cover things which I got stuck, and I will explain you why it is important to keep an eye on. So if we can learn by ourselves, why we are what we are doing here is just to identify things that might cause you some serious issues when you are trying to build an application or when you are trying to do a data science project. So that would be our main point of focus. So this is a statement that is picked from the book. So this slide it's been shared from my professor who taught me Python. So the quotations, or if I refer to something, it will be directly from the book, if not at least a version from the book. So don't get intimidated by the sentences. It will be something that's been shared by my professor since it's interesting. That's what is mentioned there. So this is for newbies. If you are new to program, you can actually do it. So if you don't want to start writing codes, you shouldn't be learning Python by itself. So that's what it's all about. Let's dig into what Python is all about. So from my understanding, Python it's very easy to learn compared to Java or C++. And of course it's free. It's open source. You can download it all by yourself, and it's used in many practical applications like as mentioned. So let's start with the traditional hello world program and see how it looks like from other programming languages, and see how it looks in Python. So this is a hello world program in C++, which we all might be familiar with. Some people might have also been familiar with C sharp and Objective C. I don't know about that, and in Java of course. So this is how it looks like Python. So my point is, in Python, a program number of lines to write a program is very few in lines. So I practically experience it by myself when I'm trying to find the palindrome, traditional way of doing things. In C++, you have tried it, so you know how complex it will become. In Python, the number of codes that I use is way too less compared to other programming languages. So yeah, the takeaway point is it's simple and it's very elegant to use. You might come across a point where you have like Python 2 or Python 3. So Python 2 and Python 3 are like a true different hard fork in a term. Like there are two different developments going on for Python 2 and Python 3. In other words, it's not completely compatible. If you write a program in Python 2, if you want to try the same in Python 3, some library functions might not work. uh, uh, or syntax might not be the same. For example, print function syntax is not the same for Python 2 and Python 3. So I'm not saying that you can run everything, but yeah, you have to keep in mind that if you are trying to move from different platforms, and you have to make sure that which platform you want to work with from the beginning itself. So my professor suggested me that Python 3 is very easy to use, and in other words, there are many packages that are available in Python 3 compared to Python 2. So this complete tutorial will be on Python 3 basis, but let me give you a keynote. If you are using Kaggle or any other data science forums, they will be using predominantly Python 2. Most of the data scientists who publish their work, I seen that it's been in Python 2. Even the Udacity Nano degree, that's been written in Python 2. So it's up to you to decide which one you have to uh, you know uh, make use of it. So this is the command that is stated by my professor. It's very intuitive than Python. I don't know what that exactly means, but that's what my takeaway from the difference. So that's the just an introduction about the chapter one.